Yeah, that's an Allen's panel. Sounds like a medieval torture chamber with all those chains rattling. Westinghouse. Whoop, I didn't mean to do that. Complete elevator.
There's one of the complete with ThyssenKrupp traditional style buttons. Whoa.
That might be an original controller.
Or original motor or something.
Mm-hmm. Hefty jolt.
Panel, the outside was Adams and the inside looks like the Duper style panels.
Yeah, the Dupar. Yeah.
But then if they're ThyssenKrupp traditional, that probably means they're mad buttons then.
Yeah, that's true.
That's interesting. Something with the door mechanism's original.
Yeah, you hear the ch-ch. I think it's yeah, look.
It might be. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's original door door equipment.
You know what? It might be a Westie because that's going to instantly close. That's something you only see on Westies.
This might be what original control.
Oh.
That is a rough start.
Yeah.
Yeah, this seems like it's got quite a bit of originality to it.
That's more straight than I thought. Here, let's go down to 2.
Sounds good.
Yeah, that's the original controller.
Yeah, I do think this is original.
It's more rough going up. Cables are done now. It's a little big elevator.
Yeah, it's not too big. Let's see here. It is 300 feet per minute. Interesting.
And that's a typical Western speed.
Complete elevator.
They didn't do a complete job on the elevator.
No, they did not do a
That's
complete
good
one.
thing.
Exactly.
This elevator has some character.
Absolutely. And the ThyssenKrupp buttons are strange.
I bet you there was a Westinghouse W there and they got rid of it.
That makes sense.
But, oh, that's actually pretty loose.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow, yeah, look at that. Oh, hold on. Yeah, this is
It's
original.
100% a Westinghouse. There's the service elevator, and that's it. There's two keys.
That's it.